Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Zontes, under their brand name Kidden, have just released 2023 models of the 150cc for sale in Asia. The U is the off-road version, has a TFT screen, handguards, etc. Comes in two colours, matte black with bright blue. Both wheels ECU upgrades. I suppose it really looks a bit more like the old 150 but with a TFT screen, etc. Again, the 150cc U version is being sold as a road going model. Has cast alloy wheels, TFT screen and upgraded ECU, etc. Comes in blue and orange, matte blue and yellow, frosted yellow and matte black green. And the newest model is what I would call a commuter bike. It's basically I'm not sure if it's got a TFT screen, I can't really see. It has got a dual seat, which is a flat seat for two people, which is good that way. Bright blue colour with matte black finish, cast alloy wheels, and a matte black with yellow. Will sell really well as a commuter bike in Asia. This is Man Mick signing off. Please like and subscribe to the videos and join our journey. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.